Even as the Congress MLA there goes on to say that there is a proposal to hike bus fares, Karnataka Transport Minister has come out and discarded any news or any such proposal. He says nothing has come before him and there's absolutely no decision taken until now to hike these bus fares.
We have 4 corporations, KSRTC, BMTC, Vayuya and Kalyana Karnataka. So far I have not received any proposal from 4 corporations. Let them send their proposal, then I will think.
It's an empowerment scheme. It's a welfare scheme. Welfare scheme से profit नहीं आता है. Other resources से profit आता है. Other revenue से profit आता है. Anybody who knows a little bit of economics will know this. So अभी गरीब कल्याण योजना चल रहा है प्रधानमंत्री का, वो भी घाटे में चल रहा है, तो बंद कर दो उसको भी. प्रॉब्लम क्या है? 9 लाख करोड़ केंद्र सरकार वेलफेयर स्कीम्स में खर्च कर रही है. वो फायदे के लिए कर रहे हैं कि घाटे के लिए कर रहे हैं? बंद कर दो वो भी.
Proposal from 4 corporations.
The Congress there denying any such reports of a proposed hike, even hitting out at the BJP for raking up this issue. The BJP is misleading the public of Karnataka is the allegation that the Congress makes. But this also comes at a time when we've seen several such hikes that have been made in the last few months. Akshara, my colleague, joining us now, getting us more details on this. Akshara, is the Congress simply not on the same page, or is this the Transport Minister trying to damage control with him saying that there is no proposed hike?
Well, you see, if you take a look at the statement of the Transport Minister, first he goes on to say that there is no such proposal that is being put forward by the corporations before the Karnataka state government. On the other hand, the second, when we questioned him regarding the aspect that whether the claims that are being made by the corporations, the transport corporations, that they are facing losses in the past 3 months, he says that he does not want to comment on that. If you take a look at the statements coming in from the Congress MLAs, who themselves are the heads of the transport corporations, they clearly go on to say that from the past 3 months we are incurring loss. S.R. Srinivas, who's head of the KSRTC, he goes on to say that the Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation, it has incurred almost 295 crore loss, and he says that it is inevitable and they have to go ahead and increase the bus fare now to pay for the staff or afford diesel prices and no petrol and every other aspects as well. So that's the statement coming in from his own party leaders. No, they are not in the very same page. The Ramlinga Reddy, the Transport Minister Ramlinga Reddy, clearly says that he has got no such proposal. But even though the fact that he hasn't got such proposal, he says that if they get such proposal, they will look into the matter. He has clearly not discarded the fact that they will not be hiking the bus fare. He says that that option is still there. It gives a hint that Karnataka state government might go ahead and increase the bus hike, but bus fare. But at the very same time, few of the Congress MLAs are clearly openly come out and given a statement that because of the Shakti scheme, we are incurring a loss, and it's a high time that the Karnataka state government considers hiking the bus fare as well.
This is something that the BJP has been upping their ante on against the Congress party. Akshara, do stay on with us because that's not the only issue that the BJP has raked up. The Legislative Assembly in Karnataka gets